Okay, so you have received a mail regarding final formatting. So dear authors, we need a Word copy. Now how to create that Word copy with proper formatting, I'm just explaining. You have to first download this reference file that was given and open it. So once you open in Microsoft, this is how it will look like. And then it has the all the details of formatting required. This is new format from Taylor and Francis. Your earlier format may not work. Your earlier formatting maybe is on typeset, so I will just open one of the papers on typeset. So let's say this is your paper. I need to transfer the title. Just select from here, copy. And in the Word, what you have to do is you have this entire title already given to you. You just click one after uh, first character and then right click and paste as plain text. So this way you are not damaging the template and then peacefully go on pressing the delete button till you reach the second last character. So this is okay. You have to go on pressing the delete button till you reach the second last character and then just press once delete so that your formatting is not disturbed and then click on the second character and just press backspace. So this is how your entire formatting needs to be done. Again, for your authors also, uh, both in our case, we all are from same institute. If not, then we can think of. But basically, this one, you just copy and then paste over here, something like this. And then instead of two, both will remain as one. So, first two. You can just replace the existing two and one from here. Then your department. So here you have to write A, J, Somaya. Okay, so you see that formatting got disturbed. So what you have to do is click on the second character here and then start typing K, J, Somaya, School of Engineering and paste it exactly as we wanted. This mail has been shared by Principal Sir regarding the affiliation. So look for this mail by Director Sir and follow the exact affiliation mentioned as this one. Now again, so Maya Vidyavihar University is the main affiliation. So you can just copy this entire affiliation in the mail itself. So I will just go back to the Word file and here I will paste that affiliation by right clicking and pasting as a full option like this. So again, you can press peacefully backspace and then you will come to this point. It is a School of Engineering, formerly known as Somaya. Then after that, put a comma and write Somaya Vidyavihar University. And then full address like Vidyavihar, yeah, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. 40007. And then go on pressing the delete button till you reach the second last character and then press delete once. So this is how your affiliation will look like. If you want half of it under the next line, this is how you should put it. And again, this, let's say your name, surname basically, name and surname. press to 1, and you have to put your email address also, whatever, xyz, xyz at gmail.com. Don't change anything else. Okay. Second author is always me. So what we can do is I can put my name and so on and so forth. So this is how you put the affiliation. Now, since both are from affiliation one itself, you can do is copy this and paste it over because we want same affiliation. This is how it should look like. You paste it. You select this formatting and then apply it to the affiliation. Finally, I managed the same kind of pain you will also go through. So till this point, everything is done. I think Maharashtra spelling I made a mistake. So this is how it should look like. And then comes the abstract. So again, go back to the actual abstract of the paper, copy it, and then come to this paper. Second word, right click and paste as plain text. This is the only way. And then press shift and next arrow till you reach the last point. Press delete and once for delete. And for the first, backspace. Now coming to the keywords. Keywords are typically, if not given, you can find it in the metadata here. And if you have missed, like this fellow has missed, what you can do is get the keywords generated for your paper from the ChatGPT. So I need Control C, go to ChatGPT, then find keywords for this search, then paste. So these are the 5 keywords. Then just copy it again into your template. You can just right click here and then paste as plain text. It's very important that you paste it as plain text and they all are comma separated. So what you do is put a comma, press delete, space bar, and so on and so forth. So put a comma, press delete, the comma, press delete, finally, comma, delete, and space bar. The sustainable crop management is the last word, and then you remove everything. So I have done it for the first page, and now the introduction start. Again, you never delete anything, just you click one word after the first word and then go to the original paper. I think I have this thing. So this is my introduction. First paragraph you pick, copy, come here, first word, right click and paste. Okay. And then press shift and next arrow and go till last but one word and then press delete. So this is how you should transfer the manuscript without affecting the formatting. Then if you have figures and all, you can just press enter, go to insert, look for the picture from the drive. If you want to save this picture, you can first save the image as. Once you save the image, let me just save it to the downloads folder. It might happen that your downloaded image may not have a good resolution. So you ensure that you have a very good resolution. So double click, open the image. Now once you download, you have to first rename it at .jpg file, otherwise it won't get the image proper. Okay, this has a very good resolution, so no need to change anything. If you want to increase the DPI, online DPI converter is there. And you can just upload the image and convert it to a higher DPI. So I generally choose 600 first, choose the image, open, upload the image, and it will change the DPI. So this is the new image downloaded with higher DPI. It won't look different, but DPI is higher. And then you go to your PowerPoint and then select download. This is the 600 is affected. We choose this image and then once you insert at this moment, you have to ensure that the figure is properly aligned between these two lines. So these two lines where you should align the image. And obviously for caption, if they have given some guidelines, just paste the caption. Caption goes here and then new line. So if you see their original template of Taylor and Francis, and if you see this compiled thing, your caption is center aligned with the same font size of Times New Roman. So here you can do one thing, select this caption, press it center aligned, and that is how your caption is done. So figure one and so on. Check in the original template, they have written figure space one and then colon and full caption. Here also figure two colon and full caption. So that is how your caption should look like. Figure space one space colon. I just check where it has a space. So yeah, figure space colon three, figure space three space colon. I think there is no colon between figure number and okay. So figure space one. This is how title should be. And then you paste the second paragraph and so on and so forth. If you want the introduction section heading, you can copy paste this introduction or this entire thing like this. Control C. Once you go here, Control V. You have your section 2 and then you can renumber it or whatever literature you just do it like this. Literary, uh, whatever. Accordingly, you then paste your literature review. And for referencing again in this paper for the logic, let's say this is my first reference. So I have to put colon reference like this. And for the reference in this case, you actually have to copy this entire, let's say Ali is alphabetically corrected. This may not be the reference one. So find the exact reference one in this paper. Let me just check. This is the reference one. You can click on edit reference. You can take the title of this paper. So this is by Kashyap. You just copy this, go to the scholar and then paste the exact reference to get the information regarding the reference citation. So this is the citation reference. Now here, if you see, they have asked us to give the reference in their template like this. So author first name, sorry, last name, first name, then in bracket year, and then the paper title, and finally the page number. So in bracket year and finally the title number. If you see, the closest reference to this is uh, APA styling. Exactly, this is how they wanted. So you can choose this style, copy, and then come to the reference here. Click again after the first word and then paste like a plain text. So be very careful while formatting. And these are the formatting instructions. Again, you have to redo this like this and it's done. So these are the formatting guidelines. Strictly adhere to the formatting guidelines. And if you don't know the DOI, yeah, I think you can leave it blank. Eh, The Taylor and Francis people will do it. But strictly follow the formatting guidelines for the paper. Uh, with that, I will end the recording. And if you have any further doubts, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.